Hello, boys and girls. I am Ms. Moran, and welcome back to your math lesson. So this week we continue learning and reviewing how to identify the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But not only identifying the numbers, but also matching up the number of objects to the number. Okay, so before we start our activity, I want to show you a video. It's going to be similar to the one we watched yesterday. And it's going to show you different objects. It could be dots or it could be different things. And I want you to count them real quick and try to say the answer before he shows the number. And when he shows the number, I want you to pay attention to that number so that you can start identifying it, okay? So let me show you that video now. Okay, so this is the video I wanted to show you.
Jack Carson! Give me the kill!
Subitize. Hey kids, let's play a game. Use your eyes and use your brain. See a set? Quick, you know it. Say the number before I show it. Subitize. Hey kids, let's play a game. Use your eyes and use your brain. See a set? Quick, you know it. Say the number before I show it. Subitize. Hey kids, let's play a game. Use your eyes and use your brain. See a set? Quick, you know it. Say the number before I show it. Subitize.
Okay, boys and girls. So now I wanted to go over some stuff before I show you the homework. So if you can look at this, what number does this represent? that represents number 1. How about this die? That also represents number 1. And then here the dots on the 10 frame. How many dots do you have? That's 1. So this is actually what number 1 looks like, okay? So all of those represent number 1. There's one object, and that's how we write number 1. Here, how many fingers are there? 2. How many dots on the die? 2. How many dots on the 10 frame? It's also 2. And this is how we write number 2. All right, so moving on to the next number. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many dots? 1, 2, 3 again. And how many dots in the 10 frame? 1, 2, 3 again. All right, and this is how number 3 looks. All right, so we're moving on to the next number. Here we have 4 fingers, 4 dots, and 4 more dots inside the 10 frame. And this is what number 4 looks like. All right, next number. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots? 5. And how many dots in the 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is what number 5 looks like. All right. And I forgot to talk about one number. What number is it when we have nothing? Like here we have nothing. We have no dots. What's the name of that number? If you said 0, you are correct. And this is what 0 looks like. All right, good job. Now let's go over the homework. Guys, this is going to be your homework. So you're going to have 5 pages or 5 slides that you have to do today. And here in the first one, or here on this side, you're going to see what number we're going to be working with. So this is number what? This is number 1. And over here you have ovals. So you have to put an oval where something is representing the number 1. For example, here, how many dots are there here? How many beads? It's 1. So that's the number we're working with, and so we're going to circle that. What about this one? It has 1 dot, and we're looking for number 1, so we're going to put the oval right there. What about this one? That's also number 1, so we're going to put it right here. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not 1, so we're not going to put an oval there. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 beads. That's not number 1. What about this one? Okay, you're only it's showing 1 finger, so that is number 1. We'll put it there. What about this one? It has 1, 2, 3. So we don't put an oval there. And this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? That one, we don't put an oval there either. So these are the ones that show number 1. Okay? And you're going to do the same thing to each page or each slide. But this one, you're going to look for the number. What number is that? 2. So everything that has a 2 that represents number 2, you're going to put the oval right there, okay? And what number do you think this is? This is going to be number 3. You're going to circle all the things that have 3 dots or 3 fingers or 3 beads. What number is this? 4. Same thing here. You're going to count and circle the ones that have 4 things. And the last one's going to be number what? Number 5. So you're going to do the same. Circle all the ones that have 5 beads, 5 fingers, or 5 dots. All right? It's pretty easy, right? All right, let's go over what we learned today. So today, we are reviewing how to identify the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're also counting objects and matching it to its corresponding number. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and today's homework, and I will see you here tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.